I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, today I shall solve test paper 4 of chapter 4, rational numbers. Write two questions on this board, question number 2 and question number 4. First of all, solve question number 2. List 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1. List 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1. So question number 2. -2 and -1 expressed in the form of rational number p by q. So -2 equal to -2 by 1 and -1 equal to -1 by 1. We have to find 5 rational number, then its numerator and denominator by multiplied by 6. We have to find 5 rational number, then multiply by 5. 6 minus 2 into 6, 5, then 6. And my 1 into 6 equal to minus 12 by 6 equal to minus 1 into 6 by 1 into 6 equal to minus 6 by 6. And now write rational numbers between minus 12 by 6 and minus 6 by 6. Therefore, the required number equal to minus 12 by 6. So minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, and last minus 7 by 6 answer. Students, question number 2 is list 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 2 expressed in the form of rational number p by q. So write minus 2 by 1 equal to, we have to find 5 rational number, then multiply numerator and denominator by 6. Minus 2 into 6 by 1 into 6 equal to minus 12 by 6, and minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 1, minus 1 into 6, minus 1 into 6 by 1 into 6, so minus 6 by 6. Now write the required number equal to minus 12 by 6 between and minus 6 by 6, between minus 12 by 6 and minus 6 by 6. So minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, and minus 7 by 6. Question number 2 is solved. Now I shall solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, what should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? So question number 4, let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So according to question, minus 7 by 8 plus x equal to get 5 by 9. That implies x equal to 5 by 9 minus 7 by 8 by transposition change into plus 7 by 8. That implies x equal to LCM of 9 and 8 is 72, 9 8 जा 72, so 5 8 जा 40 plus 8 9 जा 72, 9 7 जा 63 equal to 103 by 72 answer. Write it. Students, now next question write on this board is question number 6. By what number should minus 4 whole 3 by 8 we divide it to obtain minus 3 whole 1 by 2? So question number 6 is solved. Question number 6 solved. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, minus 4 whole 3 by 8 divided by x equal to obtain minus 3 whole 1 by minus 3 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 1 by 2. That implies minus 4 8 ja 32 plus 3 minus 35 by 8 divided by x equal to 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 minus 7 by 2. That implies minus 33 by 8 equal to minus 7 by 2 multiply x. That implies x equal to minus 35 by 8 minus 7 by 2 by transposition change into minus 2 by 7 multiply minus 2 by 7. So 2 4 ja 8 and 7 5 ja 35 equal to minus into minus plus 5 by 4 1 ja 4 5 by 4 answer. Write this. Students, next question, question number 7, write on this board is how many pieces each of length 3 whole 3 by 4 meter can be cut from a rope of length 45 meter. So find the number of pieces. How many pieces? Question number 7, the required number of pieces equal to total length of rope is 45 meter divided by length of each piece 3 whole 3 by 4 meter equal to 45 meter to meter cancel. So 45 divided by 3 whole 3 by 4 3 4 ja 12 12 plus 3 15 by 4 equal to 45. Sign of multiply change into sign of divide. So 15 by 4 change into 4 by 15. 15 3 ja 45 equal to 3 4 ja 12 pieces. Answer, write it. Students, next question right on this board is question number 8. Find the cost of 3 whole 1 by 3 meter of cloth at rupees 121 whole 1 by 2 per meter. Question number 8. The cost of cloth equal to rate of per meter is rupees 121 whole 1 by 2 multiply total length of cost is 3 whole 1 by 3. Change its rupees 121 to the 242 plus 1 243 by 2 into 3 3 the 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Cancel it 2 5 the 10 and 3 8 the 24. 3 1 the 3. Now rupees 81 5 ja 155 and 8 5 ja 40. 405 rupees 405 answer. Students, the cost of cloth, we have to find the cost of cloth. So the cost of cloth equal to cost of per meter rate of cloth is rupees 121 whole 1 by 2. Total length of cloth is 3 whole 1 by 3. Change it in improper fraction. So 121 to the 242 plus 1 243 by 2 into 10 by 3. 5 to the 10 and 81 3 the 243 equal to 81 into 5 equal to rupees 405 answer. Write it. Students, question number 10. Write on this board. Question number 10 is what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get 3 by 4. Question number 10. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get result is 3 by 4. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, subtracted from minus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 minus x equal to 3 by 4. Minus 2 by 3 minus x equal to 3 by 4. Now change it minus 2 by 3 minus x by transposition changing to plus. So equal to 3 by 4 plus x. Next step, that implies x equal to minus 2 by 3 3 by 4 by transposition change into minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. X equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 4 ja 12. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 3 3 ja 9 equal to minus 17 by 12. Answer, right? Students, one important question number 11, write on this board. Is question the product of two numbers is minus 1 by 6. Product of two numbers is minus 1 by 6. if one of them is minus 5 by 8, the other number is. Question number 11. Question number 11. Let the other number, let the other number be x. Let the other number be x. According to question, one of them is 5 by 8. So minus 5 by 8 multiply other number x equal to product of two numbers is minus 1 by 6. That implies x equal to minus 1 by 6. Minus 5 by 8 by transposition divided of minus 5 by 8. Next step, that implies x equal to minus 1 by 6. Divide change into sign of multiply. So minus 5 by change into minus 8 by 5. 3 to the 6 and 4 to the 8. Equal to minus into minus plus. 4 into 1, 4. By 3 5 the 15. 4 by 15 answer. Homework. Solve test paper 4. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 4. Thanks you. That's all.